Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to another tips and tricks tutorial video brought to you by Freelancer School. My name's Taylor Keene. We're just gonna hop right in and I'm gonna show you how to optimize your cross domain tracking and then how to unlist like certain domains as referrals because it's internal traffic, but you might have a payment source like a third party, like where it's going to like checkout.stripe.com or something like that. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna, if you're in your Google Analytics account and then you go to the admin settings, then you can go down to data streams. There's other ways to get here. Click on data streams and then go to configure tag settings and then click on show more and then choose configure your domains. And then you can see here like the different payment places we have. So when this is for Google Analytics, so you're not showing this as like a referral source because it would start a new session for them if they left and come back. So that's why you would do that. And then you want to make sure that your unlisted or list unwanted referrals is matching those as well. So, um, and same thing, referral domain contains. So those two adjustments right there will help ignore the referrer to the traffic identified by the conditions below. So I hope that helps. Very simple, and have a great day.